Sorors, how are you doing? I know it's late, but so is the box. It's time for the review of the June Delta box. So if you want to hear what I got to say about the June Delta box, stay tuned. I'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Hi Sorors, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. I'm Joy. To all my joyfuls, welcome back. I hope everyone has had a wonderful conference season. Was it not a grand time? Well, y'all, the June box. What can I say? Some like it, some don't like it. I, for one, don't like it. But let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta Box ambassador. I am a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, and therefore have every right to record my opinion and give them the honest, real, raw, and uncut truth about the Delta Box. All right, now that we have gotten that out the way, let's get into it. First of all, it's late. This was the June box, and we didn't get it until July. This is before the hurricane, before all of that happened. Poor communication. Some people got emails saying that it was going to be late because it got mixed up with another shipment. Other people didn't get an email. Some people got an email saying that their box had shipped. If you're going to send out an email, send it out to everyone and make sure everybody gets the same email, because this email debacle was not a good look, y'all. Okay? Now, let's talk about this outfit. Again, who is sitting in these meetings deciding what's going in the box? Because you know it's bad when the dears say they don't like the outfit. It's a problem. I mean, dear Delta box, what is you doing? What are you doing? First of all, it's summertime. It's hurricane season. Everybody burning up all across the country. It's like 100. I know I can speak for myself. Here in the desert in Texas, West Texas, crack of dawn, it's already 95 degrees. By the time noon roll around, it's 105, 110, 112. It'll be somewhere like that. Who keeps thinking that we want a knit suit in the middle of the summer? Why couldn't we get one of them cute bathing suits that was in the vault sale in the box? Why y'all put all the cute stuff in the vault sale? And this box feels like it's the reject from the vault sale. It really does. And as Sarah said, y'all gave us the Osceola 3000 suit, because this looked like something for Easter Sunday. No, because not even the motherboard want this. It is a no. Nobody likes this outfit. I mean, a couple of people, they might like it, but the majority, we don't like this. We don't understand why y'all keep doing us like this, because the AKAs got real cute outfit in their box. They got the Fabuletic style leggings and the top. That was cute. And y'all gave us the motherboard special with holes in it. Let's just get into the box, y'all. This month's theme is There She Glows. We ain't glowing nowhere in this ugly outfit unless y'all talking about, again, the stripes. Who in their right mind decided that, yeah, we gonna make the stripes a different red, so when they turn a certain angle or certain lighting, it look pink? Who in their right mind thought that the Deltas want an outfit that when they turn a certain way in the sunlight, it's gonna turn pink? Again, who is sitting in these meetings deciding what's going to go in the box? Obviously, they're not Deltas. They just do not care. And this vendor do not care about us either. She need to go. But let's get into this outfit, y'all. All right, here's the skirt. Again, these are the stripes. And as the brand ambassador said, when you turn it a certain way, it look pink. Who want that? Nobody. Then they got out these holes. Who? Do y'all thought it was going to keep us cool? We look like a lace doily in this. And you can see right through it. Now, who want to put on a hot slip in the middle of the summer and then put this on top of the slip? Even if you wear some shapewear under there, you still got to put a slip on because you can see right through this thing. No. And the same with the top. Who thought that the lace doily was the move for the top as well? Now it has the crest on it. Why y'all got to put the crest on everything? Why couldn't y'all put Fortitude right here, 1913, or nothing at all? That would have been nice too. That way we could wear it somewhere and put a pin on or something else on with it. We don't have to have the crest on everything. Again, this got the holes. You can see right through this thing. Now I gotta put on a camisole and a slip and then put this on. Okay, this is my photo in the dress. Now from far away, it looks real nice. But we already know this is a no-go. The only place that I will probably wear this is to chapter meeting. Now we did say we wanted some things that we can wear to chapter meeting. But who did y'all let some fashion design intern who's interning with y'all at the company design this outfit for us? Cause it's not making sense. It's too many things going on with this outfit. It might have worked if it was just a solid material, not with the holes in it. Dear Delta, no. Just stop and start over. And again, why couldn't we get some of those cute outfits that y'all put in the vault sale in the box? Y'all do this every year. This is getting frustrating and annoying with y'all. It really is. Do better. Okay, Sorors. That's all I'm going to just say about this box. Because this is ridiculous. Alright, I'm Joy. And welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel. I do have other content besides the Delta box for all my sorors. I have makeup content, I have inspirational content, I have health related content. And I've just become a part of the Amazon influencer program. Oh, I'm tongue-tied, sorry. I can't speak correctly. The influencer program for Amazon. And so I'll be posting content related to that too. I also will be posting reviews of the Ipsy products. I have the Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm box. So again, I have a wide variety of content, Sorors. If you're new here, I do Delta box reviews. They're not all always slamming them, but when they off, and I'm gonna let them know. I just can't not tell the truth about the box and the service or the lack thereof. But anyway, welcome to all the 2024 spring neophytes. Whether you're a collegiate or alumni, welcome to our illustrious sisterhood. Again, I'm not trying to discourage you or encourage you to get the box. I'm just giving you my honest opinion about the box. So you can decide if you want to get it, if you want to keep it. That's on you. I'm just here to give you my honest opinion and keep it real about the box. Okay? So if you always want to know the truth about the box, you are welcome at my channel. Well, you're welcome at my channel anyway. Again, Sorors, it was so glad meeting you all at regional conference. I had a wonderful time. Thank you for all your prayers and support when I was going through my breast cancer battle. I'm happy to update you all. I am cancer free. I just had a checkup not too long ago, and I'm in the next phase of my treatment, which is the hormone therapy, and I'll be doing that for the next 10 years. And I'm praising and I'm believing God that I am going to stay cancer free. But I thank you all, Sorors, for all your love, your prayer, your calls, your texts, your donations to my GoFundMe. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I tell you, it's nothing like our sisterhood. It is a glorious one. All right, Sorors, that is my review for the June Delta box. I'll be back here in a little while, I guess, to do July. I am behind on my boxes. If y'all want me to go back and review the April and May boxes, let me know, because that was really doing my cancer treatment, and I honestly, I didn't feel up to doing anything because radiation was wearing me out. But if you'd like me to go back and review those boxes, please let me know. Check out my Linktree in the description box for this video. You can click on my Linktree, and then you'll see the link to my Amazon store and all my social media handles and things like that. And again, Sorors, I appreciate your support and watching my videos. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you all, Sorors.